How to download and install KuCoin crypto exchange app. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, locate Play Store app in your device and open it. Tap on this search icon, type KuCoin and press enter. This is the right application with over 10 million plus downloads. Tap on it. Press install. Basically, KuCoin is a globally recognized cryptocurrency exchange that serves users across multiple regions worldwide. The platform offers a comprehensive suite of digital asset services, including spot trading, futures trading, staking, and other earning tools. KuCoin is widely known for its extensive asset selection and access to a broad range of cryptocurrency markets. Once downloaded, it will be shown in your apps. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.